Typhoon.
Hi. Were we late? I'm sorry. Sorry at mga 8:30. Ay, hindi. Ang oras ngayon sa...
7:30.
7:30-ish, but it's like... It's late.
Anyways, guys.
Hello, how are you? Girl, it's your lucky age.
Whoa! R-I-7-O!
Hey!
Lucky.
Say what?
Yes.
What?
Sir.
Huh.
Lucky 7-O!
Let's go!
Lucky.
Yes. I'm
lucky.
yung mga tao siguro sa paligid ng anchors ngayon, parang, ang ginagawa niyo sa gumagano. Yeah.
Yeah, we were actually...
We missed performing in front of a live audience. It's been a long time ago, right?
It has
been a long
super
time.
fun, like especially like the fan signs.
Yeah.
I can't believe that was like 6
That was, yeah. Actually, I'm conflicted nga kung matagal na siya or kanina lang siya. Kasi parang bang, sometimes in my head, it's parang kahapon lang. Pero
Mas minsan naman
parang
parang
last year pa
last
ba?
year,
Diba?
diba?
Pero this year lang pala siya.
Diba?
Kasi lagi din binabention ng anchors na they enjoy fan signing events. I think it's one of the core memories as a lucky anchor.
Right.
Because it was lucky time. It was the era of lucky talaga.
Grabing lucky. Ano yung lucky ulit sa Tagalog?
Swerte
talaga. Swerte talaga mga gar.
Wow, we got 800 people in here right now.
Yes. Guys, we nag-practice nga kami for our concert.
Yeah, because in
Today,
exactly a month.
in exactly a month.
Do you have a month in
It's gotta
the
be-
day?
there
Oh
it is.
yeah.
I don't know if it's married for you guys, but it says
October 3. Today is October 3, and then a month after this
November
is November 3, which you all know what's gonna happen that day. It's going to be Day Tour Encore. Hi.
super exciting. And
Yeah.
it's crazy because like I feel like this concert is gonna be something that our anchors are gonna be so like almost proud of.
Yeah.
Right? Because like especially for the anchors that watched the first one, I feel like if they watch this second one, they're gonna be like, oh, you know, they're gonna be
Yeah,
so
they're-
touched because
We're bringing something new to this concert for sure. That's something that we promise also ourselves. Kasi kahit kami ayaw din namin ng paulit-ulit yung mga pina-perform namin. Sometimes we also, it's not always that we're happy that we're performing the same songs.
Yeah.
But we're making sure talaga na this one is a new experience in itself. Kasi kahit kami, even, maybe, I don't know if you guys are, like tired of some songs repeating over and over again being performed.
Which is valid.
Yeah, which is valid. You're like, it's not a bad thing to have that thought. Kasi kahit kami as artists na may ganung kanta,
Right.
it's like burnout, but for our ears. Kasi imagine, practice natin before i-release. Like,
Yeah.
not just hundreds of
Yeah,
times.
before
but
we
like,
actually release the song, we've probably heard it like hundreds of times.
yeah, that's
now.
why it's kind of hard for us to stream with you guys. It's like, I'm kind of tired of this song. Maybe let's listen to another song for the day.
Yeah.
So, ayun yung feeling ko, yun yung goal namin for this concert is to really bring almost everything, 99% everything new. Grabe, tingnan mo. Ngayon may nag-sit ups. So, buka mo may makikita kayong mga bagay na...
Can we show it?
Maybe we should show it. Exposed. Oh.
Sorry.
Yung sound natin. Wait lang.
Yes. We are all kind of gearing up.
Yeah, we're
for the
kanya-kanyang pag-gear up para sa concert. That's why we're excited kasi I know like a lot of the we don't have that much new songs right now that are out, but
right now that are, but hey, the article came out today.
yeah, not just the article, the
announcement.
thing. I didn't know it was gonna come out yesterday. It was just like
Oh right.
it was just there.
Right.
It was just
We were
there.
like, what?
I was like, it's out.
Because I thought they
Kasi
were gonna.
sabi nila parang
They
akala
kind
ko-
of leaked our little dance practice.
Yeah, they didn't
Which
ask
was
us. Just kidding.
we,
They
were,
like,
we were just
okay.
we were just as surprised as everyone else,
Yeah.
basically.
Kasi
Pero-
nakita na lang namin naka-upload na yung kasi pinapakita namin yung mga dance namin. Syempre to the higher ups para malaman nila kung ano yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
So I don't know, maybe I thought it was just gonna be like that. Then I saw it was already online.
Right.
And I think it got good traction. I mean,
Yeah.
the anchors are liking it. Do you guys like it? Do
You guys like it? Because did you guys see Kuya Vinci's like
Good thing the one they posted was the part that
the angle, right? The camera
yeah,
angle.
the angle,
You can see your abs.
the angle, yeah, no, that doesn't exist. It helped. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nakisama yung
Yung camera angle.
Camera angle.
But-
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw na, pero na-announce na talaga article that we are going to release
I
a
think it's official na talaga.
official album,
Really
which we have been trying to cover up actually for quite
longest
some
time. I mean, Giro has always been, spoiling it.
Yeah.
He's already sa Billboard, di ba?
Yeah, like Billboard, he was like-
when Billboard was, I was like, oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Oh! Yeah, so, but yeah, it's true. We will be releasing an album.
Uy, pakita mo muna yung butata mo! Kasi nag-reply si
Okay, ready?
Kuya Pablo.
Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7. Butata! Hey! Yeah! Ano man ang respeto? Butata!
Panis! Wala na yan. Grabe yung kilig ko ha. Like, slay. It was a slay. I was
Guys,
surprised.
TMI, whose sando was that?
Yep. Of course it was mine.
That's it.
He doesn't own any sandals.
Yeah,
I was the-
my own.
Okay, this is actually mine too.
Yeah, because like all of my clothes are in the laundry right now, so yeah.
Tamad ka lang maglaba.
Kaya ako naglaba ko ngayon eh.
Ay, ito na yung time ulit na nag-freeze yung mga damit natin, di ba?
Oh,
Remember?
oo.
Sa dati nating doon. Pag-uwi namin kasi first,
Yeah.
di ba, last year, it was our first year sa Korea. So first time, except ikaw, na mag-winter. Eh, syempre, feeling ko ikaw din, hindi ka naman naglabas siguro
Yeah,
dati.
100%.
So when we went home, our clothes were iced up.
It was
Parang siyang
literally
freezer.
like when you touch it, like
Hard
nakikita mo talaga.
Hard talaga.
Ako din yung binublower ko na lang din.
Binublower mo?
Diba?
Oh my God.
Pero ngayon,
Kaya pala yung ano natin, kuryente natin, pre, ano eh.
to the roof.
Through the roof na.
Pero ngayon meron na tayong heater.
Yeah.
Which is good.
May heater, tapos may micro. Huh? Oo nga, may filter to.
Yeah.
I mean white.
Hindi siya white kasi parang...
It's
wait
like
lang.
blur. We can change it.
Yeah, we can
Cute
change it. Bakit biglang ay? Cute ka naman oh.
Kasi nahihirapan kami sa lighting kanina.
Yeah.
So boom, overexposure.
This is the best way to go. Yeah, okay, we're back to normal.
We're back to normal exposure.
See, that looks boring. What do you guys like better?
Mas maganda yung isa. Mas
Diba?
maganda.
Nice
maganda.
Hindi, mas ano, bright lang. Normal na lang. Ayan, normal to.
Totoo.
Ikaw.
Feeling ko na hindi namin nagbumuha kaming letter P. Letter P? Kukunin.
Letter P.
Letter P. Kaya yun. Ah. Oh yeah. I mean, if you want to. Wait, hindi, ito na lang, para hindi natin basta nilalabas yung information. Let's see what they're curious about, and then maybe we can talk a little bit more about it.
Let's see.
Because, you know,
Let's see.
they're probably curious kasi so, especially those na nakapunta na sa first concert namin.
Diba?
Okay.
Paano daw mag-confess sa crush?
Wait lang. Ay, sige, pinutin natin.
sabihin mo, hello.
Ito.
Paano mag-confess sa
How-
crush?
how do-
First, you say, Hi, my name is Marcus Raiden Palad Cabayes. I'm 15 years old.
Ah, paano kayo dati nag-umamin sa crush? Meron umamin sa inyo sa crush? Wala.
Sa akin maamin.
Ano, paano tao-tao? I mean, ano? I mean, face to face. With words.
With words. I gave her
wow.
a flower.
What?
Gave her a flower.
Wow.
And I say, hey, you're really beautiful today. And I was 3 years old.
Oh, so that's where the confidence came from.
Wow, 3 years old?
Yeah,
Because
and
I didn't do that.
and I gave her
I
all my
didn't.
money.
Oh, wow.
I gave her.
You got money?
Yeah,
3 years
20
old?
pesos. Yeah, I gave her my 20 pesos.
I
I didn't eat the whole day, and then my mom found out
That's
that I
so
didn't
love.
eat the whole day, and I told my mom, no, I gave it to.
To blank.
And she was like, you're not gonna fall in love too hard.
You're not gonna fall in love and be hungry.
And be hungry,
You need to choose one.
and broke, and
Oh my god, broke, hungry, and in love,
And in love.
at 3 years old.
Not good
yeah,
mix.
That is one hell of a mix. I like that.
Yeah.
Ako parang chat-chat lang.
Ako kasi
Chat lang. Ako, chat lang.
Ako kasi pag crush ko yung tao, parang nahulog agad.
You are not the father! O yung kumuha kaya kayo ng upuan.
Hindi, pero yun nga. Kasi feel ko masaya mahalin yung crush mo.
Lo! Grabe, mahal agad. Crush muna yung
Ay,
sa
ganun
akin.
ako.
Since nung varsity year ako, may mga, talagang mga, alam mo na.
Pero hindi ko ginawa yung mga crush ko. Parang yun lang yung
Puro
feeling
crush
ko.
lang talaga.
Yun yung feeling ko. Na sarap siguro mahalin yung crush
Bakit
mo.
ba si Rister naka-earphone siya? Ay, hindi ko lang. Wala siya sinasabi. Bakit pa naman natin si Rister? Wala.
Pag may crush ka, paano ka nag-ano?
Dati, may nag-crush ako dati pero naiiyak ako.
Pero nakwento niya na mahilig siya sa Happy Happy Crush. Kasi parang natutuwa siya na may crush siya. Pero,
ganun niya.
pero ngayon wala na siyang pake. Ngayon wala na siyang crush. Wala, ang crush niya na lang ay pagkain. Yun na lang.
As in, makikita mo si Rizzy naka...
Ay, alam ko crush ni Rister. Coke Zero.
True.
every morning, every hour, every
I also don't understand English nor the other language. So currently, I don't understand.
Oh, we can
a
make you
word
understand.
of
What?
but not. And
Oh,
my French. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Comment vous vous appelez?
Je m'appelle Marcos.
Je m'appelle Vinci.
Je t'aime. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I think so.
Vinci.
Monsieur.
Yes.
I should have watched Emily in Paris, bro. I should have watched it.
What is it? Emily Holmes?
Bisous. Bisous.
What is Holmes? Enola Holmes.
And-
Is she
oh.
French? I don't know.
British, bro.
Oh, it's British?
I mean, it's
Oh,
Europe.
my
Okay,
bad.
so
Okay, close enough.
the guy there, I think, got.
Ratatouille. Let's watch
Oh
Ratatouille.
yeah, Ratatouille.
I love the rat. Like ever since I watched Ratatouille, I suddenly wanted to have a pet rat. But okay, try to.
Okay, try to grab something. I'm controlling the legs. Whoa. See, that worked. That worked.
I'm the rat.
I'm the rat. I'm the rat. Bonjo, bonjo.
Paano makamove?
Busy, busy.
Listen, Horizon.
Wait, let's find more questions to answer. This is fun.
It is.
TMI for today.
Hey.
Oh. I think alam na natin, we know. Siyempre hindi namin sasabihin sa inyo. Kasi anong point pa? Pero alam na namin yung buong ito buong boom. Ito na lang. Wag natin isabihin.
Yeah, do what you will with
Yung
that
buong
visual information.
So medyo na-imagine na namin like this is gonna be fun. The context is it's about the concert. Kasi meron na kaming experience from meron na kaming first concert, diba? So meron na kaming pinagbasihan na gusto namin mag-improve from. So I think this one is gonna be I'm very excited about it.
Ayaw magbigay ng hint. I mean, that's the hint.
Sasayo kami ng fan meeting mga guys.
We got the whole
We got the
thing.
whole-
Tapos
Tapos? Pagkatas nito.
Tapos
ayun.
Tama. Ganda na plano. Tapos
Okay.
dapat gumanto tayo.
Tapos
Oo.
dito.
Kasi di ba si ganto tapos si ganto gagawin.
Wow!
Tapos si ganto gaganto. Tapos may ganto. Tapos pupunta doon. Tapos boom. Tapos yung ganto.
Wala. Kaya, sa inyo.
Kaya mag-abang na kayo.
Kaya get your tickets
Kaya
na.
bumili na kayo ng
Commercial. Hindi, tsaka ang special kasi din dito sa mga experience namin as concert makers. As concert performers, our concert are just once a year.
Right.
It's not like we have
Ano ka ba? Ba't ka tumatanong tayo?
We have like a routine.
yeah, it's not like we have tours all around
Right,
the
right,
world.
tour.
That's something that we are hopeful for and we are working towards to. That's the goal. But right now, what we have is a single concert for a year, and of course, we're very grateful that we're allowed.
I mean, just to have a concert in general.
to
is
do
like
that.
Big.
So this, I don't know. This is just gonna be another. All the regrets that I had from the past concert, which of course I had because it was just my first and I didn't know what to do. Like with everything, but now I think I've got maybe some more to show
Yes,
for me
of course.
personally, and I think also with everyone.
See you soon.
Bye.
Pasok na comments. Hello. Ang puti masyado nung text, hindi ko mabasa. Lagyan natin. Hindi ko mabasa. Sana.
Sana all nasa Pinas,
Pinas
next
next
month.
month.
Is it next month? Or are we going earlier next month?
Maybe.
We don't know.
We'll never know. Do you guys have an individual song? Does that mean a solo?
Yeah.
We'll see.
We're gonna find out, guys.
Yeah. Do you have more questions about the concert? Please drop them now. We might.
End of the day.
We might answer some because we're feeling generous today because it is only a month away. So of course we want to give you some inside details. The only select anchors will know. Only 916 right now anchors will know about this exclusive.
This is exclusive information right here.
Exclusive.
This is an exclusive Q&A. My album ba? Yes.
Yeah.
There is an album, so if you guys think
Yeah.
that we're only gonna
And if
release
you-
Singular
and
10,
I'll repeat this again because Marcus, ever since you've left, I mean not left, but like have a promote with IZX, they've been wondering if you're gonna be staying here. And yes, he is. He's here.
I am
He's present.
here. I'm
He
still
will
alive.
not leave. It's like it's like a side hustle.
Yes.
It's like
It's not,
in the morning you're doing this.
yeah,
and
it's
then
like a part-time job,
Yeah, it's like a part-time
but in a
job.
really, really good way.
Yeah,
really the best way.
Yeah, in a fun way because you get to also be with other people.
For sure, right? So do not worry, guys.
Yeah,
I'm
he's
still
not leaving.
a Horizon member.
Because people are really curious that you're gonna like they really thought you were gonna leave. I'm like, did anyone
Not
say you were
work.
gonna leave? 'Cause I didn't think so. I don't think there was anything that's said anywhere that you were going
That I was
to
gonna
leave.
leave.
Yeah, but they were thinking that. So I was like worried. 'Cause what if they think we're gonna end?
Horizon is forever.
Horizon is 7 and it's in the spelling, so it wouldn't
So
make sense.
If we become 6 members,
Yeah, it's
that's
just
just
not
gonna
gonna
be
make sense.
awkward.
It's
So
not gonna make sense.
let's not do that.
It's not gonna be Horizon anymore then. It's gonna be
It's
another
just
name.
Horizon.
It's gonna be what are the other names they had in mind?
Between
Between
Dream 7,
yeah, Dream 7.
Chaser.
Oh, Dream 6 in this
Dream
case,
6,
yeah.
Chaser. Oh, is that a thing? Chaser. Chase.
Maybe.
Chase Atlantic.
I think there's something connected to Dreams there.
Mm.
Boom! Kumkunda.
Hulaan nyo kung ano to.
Yoga mat.
Mag-yoga kasi. Mag-yoga kasi.
Ay, yan na sila.
Ano, wala, ano to? Pero ikwento kayo natin na nagsinungaling si Winston.
Ano yung ganun?
Minsan nahuli sila,
Ay,
nahuli sila.
nahuli.
Nalaglag ba?
Ay,
Nahuli sila. Wala na, private.
Lumabas kasi sila.
Tumakas kasi kami.
Tumakas sila papunta lang sa
What's up with this?
kainan, sa restaurant.
Siyempre nagutom.
Tapos sinabi nila pumunta sila sa convenience store kahit restaurant naman.
Ayun,
Uy, ikaw yung nakaisip na hindi na ako nagsalita. Hindi na ako nagsalita, ikaw na yun.
masama, ikaw ang mabuti.
Grabe may lies.
Siya yung ano, sabi ko, sabi niya, hindi. Wala.
Yan that's the, you know, that's
This
the
is
life.
our life.
This is the life of Horizon. The life of a Filipino idol in South Korea.
Marcus, anong uniform?
Kasi tumaas yung shadow. You know, weird.
Tumaas yung shadow.
Ayun!
Wow, okay, fix it.
Okay.
Guys, wear whatever you want, but since it's Date or Anchor High, this is like, you know, we're classmates. So we should wear school uniform or anything related to school.
Yeah. Like if you
Or
want to
just,
be a principal, you want to be a
wear a
teacher,
tie, just something like a coat.
you want to be ano ba man laman sa school? You want to be a student council?
You can be a pencil.
Yeah, a pencil is nice.
Yeah, just
Have you
dress-
tried being a pencil?
I've not actually.
It's fire. Like
sounds
imagine
interesting though.
imagine having lead at the front.
Right?
And
Like
you get
imagine,
renewed every
imagine
day.
we have this segment where we actually call anchors up to stage,
Yeah.
and then there's just a pencil on
Yeah,
stage.
like a pencil on stage, and you're gonna be there. You're gonna stay there
Yes.
forever.
Did we accidentally pin? Oh, we did.
Oh yeah,
not
we
pin.
because we asked someone.
Ah.
So, okay, let's not read first. Let's click and then answer.
Okay. What are they doing in the back?
Okay, this one's easy. Fave food not Horizon.
Cheese tonkatsu.
Exactly.
That is something.
Yun yung ito sasabihin na namin. It's the password of our Wi-Fi.
It is the password of our Wi-Fi.
It's the password of
So
our
if you
Wi-Fi.
manage to break into our dorm,
Yeah, which don't do that.
please do not.
Hajima.
Please do not. It's a very hypothetical situation.
Yep.
which
We're not
is-
suggesting
we
it.
don't- We're not.
It's not
Yes.
good. Do not do
It's,
that.
You
Do
know the
not.
password. You know.
You're gonna know the password of the Wi-Fi only.
Only
not
Wi-Fi.
of the whole thing.
Not the dorm itself. We're not gonna tell you the password of our dorm
We're
because
not.
for privacy and
Yep.
security. ML account review.
ML account.
Is
Oh
that
my
even?
god.
I don't think that's. I don't
Like a
think I can do that.
milliliter?
I'll show you like.
Guys, do you...
Not too lazy to open Mobile Legends.
Parang alam na ata nila yung ML account natin.
Really?
I don't think. Maybe not all. Maybe
Yeah,
some
maybe some
managed to
Find it
find it, but
from the dark web.
yeah, from
My
the
God.
pits of dirt.
Okay, let's find another one. Oh no.
Yung ID ko guys. 328983431.
Is that actually?
Yeah, that's the...
Wait, what?
Just-
Did you just reveal it?
Oh, well, that's cool. So there's that, guys.
Laro tayo guys if you guys want to play with me.
Spoilers, a new album.
What's a good spoiler?
That an album is not just one song, right? That's a good spoiler.
Yeah.
As an album consists of not just one song.
There's
so
many.
Yeah,
Many
that's it.
songs.
Let's be simple with the answers. Genshin UID reveal. Oh,
I don't even
it's
Yes, you're like AR 50 something now.
Yeah.
He's really good at Genshin.
Oo, gabi-gabi makikita ko nilalaro.
Uy, hindi na yung Genshin, pre.
ZZZ na
Supernova.
May paborito naming laro ngayon yun. Ano, guys? Kami ni Vinci.
Dark concept
Yep.
about O9s? Well, we don't know unless you come. So, dark concept na daw ba tayo?
Oo, susunugin namin sila.
Dark, magiging dark na.
Gagawin namin silang uling. We're gonna cook them. Tapos na ba kayo kumain?
Yes!
Kayo? Oo daw. MLD ID review. Hindi ko alam.
MLD ID.
We don't have MLD IDs.
This is my ID, Mike Wazowski.
One eye lang.
What?
Hindi nagre-renew yung ano. Ano pa? May nakakatakot bang part
Sa
sa
concert?
concert?
Pag lumabas kayo,
Grabe! Iyak na siya!
Si Jiro. Lagi ako inaaway ni Jiro. Of course.
Guys, ang haba na ng buhok ko.
okay lang yan.
Gusto nyo guys, gusto ko sana magpagupit eh.
Guys, doon na sa concert, magdala daw kayo ng
Gusto ko.
shaver.
Yes, ng gunting.
Ng gunting or shaver.
Gusto ko magpa-undercut,
Magpapakalbo ka
guys.
na no? Sa concert.
Kalbo?
Oo. Skinhead. Or fade.
I don't want that.
Pero ang kapalit daw sold out daw.
Bro, palag. Guys, pag na-sold out yung ticket,
Shake kami, magkakalbo kami lahat.
Magpapakalbo ko, seryoso.
Nang nose hair.
Chincha.
Nang nose
I'm
hair.
going to bald my hair. If the tickets are sold out.
Ako magbababog ako sa sobrang tuwa siguro. Pero hindi kasi nabutol. Okay. Okay, how do I... Oh, here. Okay. Wala. Tapos na.
Saan ka makakakita ng idol
already
na
9:05.
magpapakalbo sa concert? Exactly.
Oh, exactly. It's
Where you
the
ever gonna see that?
Only in Deep
Only, okay, we're probably not gonna do that, but... Hello! Jeremy Melendres Batak joined! Hello po!
Sino yun?
Yung sa Horizon.
Di ba singer siya?
Wala, sino yun? Kasama,
Tsaka
idol daw
dancer.
yun?
Magaling daw siya sumayaw, guys.
I can relate.
Parang ngayon nakita ko yung kilikili niya.
Yung sa Butata.
Ba't mo lagi inano yung kilikili niya?
Nino.
Nung ni...
My armpit, ano yan? Fetish.
I'm a fetish.
No, I don't!
Huwag ka nang magpalun.
Why do you sound like soundboard? You just have like, if I press a button, you're gonna be like, wag ka na magpaliwanag. Wag ka na magpaliwanag. They have lines, bro. They are AI, they are ChatGPT.
ChatGPT mode.
Yeah. Gusto ko makausap si ChatGPT in Konyo, parang maangas.
Diba?
Nakita ko online. Like, yo, did you eat
Umurang
some
luha ko
egg
nung
waffles?
na-notice ni Marcus.
Oh, let's test your Konyo levels. Do you know egg waffles? What was
Yes.
it? The orange, what's the
Egg waffle.
Hindi ko yan.
Egg waffles.
What's it? The orange waffles.
The orange circles?
Oh my god, so you really think those are egg waffles?
Are they not egg waffles?
I mean, they're squick. They're
They're egg.
Oh,
Quack, quack. Oh my god.
But they're not waffles.
They're not
So,
waffles.
that's the egg
I don't know
waffles.
the egg waffle.
I mean,
Egg
that's what
waffles,
they
I've
call
tried
it.
actual egg waffles.
Ugo.
They're like waffles, and like, you know how waffles are like square-ish shapes inside?
Yeah.
Instead, it's circle.
Oh.
And I don't even know if it's actual egg. It's not egg. It's just that it's circle. They called it an egg waffle.
Oh, but it's not,
Yeah, but it's just a regular waffle.
Balot masarap.
Based on the one that I actually tried.
Fave drink, you
Balot
guys.
with
We have,
dinosaur feet.
I actually have it on my
Dinosaur
phone because whenever they, this is my phone.
That's your phone.
But it is, okay, let me do this. You like an iced white choco drink. Am I right? I'm right.
Wait,
You,
what are we talking about again?
the fave drinks.
Oh, fave drinks.
Someone asked
right,
fave drinks.
right, right.
Your fave drink?
Matcha.
Jeez, ano na Ulan ko nga eh. Pero yun yung sasabihin ko.
Oh, okay.
Ikaw, Java chip.
Wow. How did you...
Ikaw, ice white choco din.
No.
No!
No.
Yun yung nilagay ko, wala ka nang magagawa.
No.
So what is that?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
I mean, that's his
Darky.
second option.
Darky
That's their second
That's
Darky.
our
option.
second option. But like,
But,
start
Oh no!
rate
favorite
in
daw is
like
ano?
any
Choco?
coffee brand.
Choco, vanilla, ano.
tinan mo, di mo nga alam eh. Mas alam ko pa.
Diba?
Racer, iced americano. Simple. And Kim,
Ice
pomegranate.
Oh.
Ano sa
That's pomegranate.
Recommend any hero in Mobile Legends. I will do a maniac with it. Ling, and I want it to be like where it flies and then that has to be like the way to get a maniac. Anyway,
My hair is so bad.
guys, if we reach 1,000 views, we're gonna do something. I don't know.
We're gonna sing for you guys.
Okay, we'll sing for you. No, like actually, we'll actually sing for you guys.
We can sing for you guys.
Yes, the duo. We are the
We are the Marchi.
March.
March.
March. Even though it's October.
We're gonna make it feel like
Oh yeah, what is our duo name? Are we just?
it's March.
Is it? This is it.
It's Vincus. No, that's not good. Vincus.
Vincus.
Sounds like a bad word.
Vincus.
I'm a Vincus.
I'm the victim. I'm the
I'm
Vincus.
the victim. Yo.
You're the Vincus.
Oh, Kanye duo.
Oh.
No, not really Kanye.
But sometimes you can. Actually.
I can
You
do
are
it
actually.
if someone.
No, but like not even forced. Like sometimes you actually are kind of.
Kasi feeling ko mas madali din i-explain. Hindi,
Like in
Taglish.
English.
Pero hindi naman ako konyo. I'm down with the Taglish.
Yeah, honestly, me too. I think it's come to the point that I'm also.
Your sister though.
Oh, my sister.
She's Kanye, right?
Yeah, I would think. I would. Yeah, she's good at Tagalog, but if you actually hear her speak Taglish,
Maybe with a friend.
yeah, with her friends, like, do you want to grab dito?
Ah,
Like
yeah.
that.
That's the real Kanye.
Yeah, that's like.
Because
the
we do
Taglish.
Taglish.
Yeah,
we don't do
Taglish.
Kanye naman.
Ate, I love you. If you're watching this, there's no problem with that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You're beautiful.
We love Kanye.
Yes,
And the non-Kanyos.
and the non-Kanyos as well.
Yeah.
Oh, Yapper duo. We are the Yapper.
Oh, but yeah, I like that.
We are the Yapper.
We love yapping. Because look at us talking so much when there's someone in the center, just being like,
Yeah, just existing.
tapos kami, nadala kami ng dala, pero siya, oh my God. Siya nakaganon kami. Yep, that's reality.
Ayos
Sam-
lang.
Sa inyong magkakapatid, walang konyo.
Sa amin, wala.
You are, right?
No.
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, siguro yung sister ko nga din, yung pinakamatanda, is the most closest. But kami nung younger na, we just speak in Tagalog.
Hello.
But yeah, if someone was to point a
Paano
weapon
ba
at
maging
us-
konyo? Hindi ako, paano ba?
Yeah, ano?
Basta you have to,
Yeah, can you say, hey kuya, can I have that kwek?
yeah.
Hey kuya, can I have that quick?
Magkano po yan kuya?
But Tagalog hindi sanay.
Ito, hindi lang eh, pero sabihin mo tayo, let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Okay, let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Yeah. But if it's in Taglish,
To
sabihin
the
mo lang,
other side.
tawid tayo sa highway. Tawid tayo sa road.
Like, kumbaga,
Pero pag nyo, as in parang,
Hey kuya,
it's
magkano
like
yung shortcut niya,
biglang what? There's a Tagalog there?
Magkano yung transformation?
Transportation. Yeah, sa jeepney.
Pero mahirap na actually ngayon.
Yeah, it is hard.
Yeah, it's very. But I saw this TikTok like, kuya, like it's the only thing I remember.
guys,
What was it?
Like it's
It was
like
kuya?
James Reid and Coco Martin.
magugulat
It's like an
kayo.
actual movie
It's like
line?
yeah, it's like he's like, kuya, why are you ignoring me, kuya?
Ah.
Alam mo kung ba't di kita pinapansin? Kasi English ka ng English. Di kita maintindihan.
Ay, napanood din ako Coco Martin kagabi.
Yeah.
Pati sila ni Tony Gonzaga, yung social media. And Coco Martin was like, social media. Social media. Social media. Ano na, kahit i-pray over mo pa yan, hindi mo matatawa. Tawin-tawa ako kagabi. Habang nag-skincare ako, nakaloop lang yung TikTok.
Yes, kumain na po kami.
Ako guys, kinain ko lang is
Ano yun?
1 cup of coffee and
Wow.
they
Chocolate.
call it
Chocolate.
chocolate pang.
Oh, tita. Oh, I guessed it.
Yeah,
Chocolate.
chocolate pang. It's bread, bro.
Oh, someone said, they're learning Filipino for you, Kyle.
Oh really?
Can you teach them a Filipino word that you think they don't know? Like,
Okay. Said, sabihin nyo guys, mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo means I love you.
I love
Why
you.
did I stutter?
I love you all, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Yeah. Why did I stutter when I said that? Parang tuloy hindi ako Pinoy. Hindi, Pinoy.
Tapos, ano ba? Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends. Maging magkaibigan tayo. Slowly.
Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends.
Like, chingu.
우리 친구 하자.
친구 하자.
Maybe.
Ano pa ba?
Ayun yung umupo eh. Umupo ka daw, Kylie. Ito. If you want. Asan po si Jeremy? Jeremy and Winston are wrestling right now. Actually, ano na namin, tapos na yung rehearsals namin. So, nag-chill-chill lang kami. And gusto naming we just, update you guys about the month away concert. Kahit masungit kayo sa BGC, idol ko pa din kayo.
BGC? What's that?
Baka dun sa
BGC.
Samsung event?
Maybe.
Masunod ba tayo dun sa Samsung event?
I don't think so. I think we were tayo friendly.
BGC.
Bumunta lang ako doon pero family ko yung kasama ko. Horror stories. Uy, Kim, nga pala kasi Halloween, baka may horror story ka dyang baon.
Guys, nga pala, abangan nyo yung kasi na-reveal na sa sa X yung di ba? Yung namin.
Oh, yeah?
Yung episode namin ni Racer.
Huh? Huh? Ah?
Abangan nyo lang guys, abangan nyo.
No. But it is, nakakita ko nga yung ibang.
Kasi na-release doon. Na nag-picture. Matagal pa yun.
Wala pa daw, wala pa. Wait namin yan. Just casually said it.
Ipakita
Kasi
ko
what?
Tingnan niyo ito eh. Talo si Winston.
Okay, I'll be the referee.
Ganyan sila guys.
Stop it! Saojima!
Kapoy! Kapoy daw, kapoy. Pagod na daw, pagod.
Talo si Winston.
Kapoy Manuel. Kami guys, kapoy na kaayo. For preparing our concert. Kapoy, sobrang kapoy. Kapoy means pagod. Kasi That is a preparation.
Part of their workout,
Yeah.
wrestling. Rayster is sitting like this right now.
Rayster is practicing
Something.
something.
Guys, do you want us? Do you want us?
Do you want?
What if this is theoretical? What if we would have subunit stages? Who would you guys want to see match up together? Do you guys suggestions? Because we can. Is that explain it is?
K-pop din. Sa'yo, Vinci, K-pop or ano talaga? Yung gusto mo?
Alin?
Yung makapag-sama natin.
Katlo. Siyempre. Basta.
Pero sino yung gusto nyo, guys? Or magulat na kayo? Feel ko meron na eh.
2K daw.
Feel ko meron na.
Girl. Vinster? That's Vinci and Rayster, right? That's Kimster is Kim and Rayster. Oh, they're giving. So nagtatanong kasi ako kung ano yung mga subunit nilang gustong makita sa concert. So lots are saying about Kim and Rayster. There's Vinci and Rayster. Puro Rayster ah. Yung iba wala. 2K. There's 2K as well.
Yung line daw.
09.
Oh, nine.
Mangne line. Mangne line 어때?
Let's go.
Mangne line! Mangne line 어때?
Uy, ano daw sa inyo?
Ano? Wrestling.
Wrestling.
Oh, pag wrestling
For
sila, dalawa. Tapos yung isa referee. Katok. Sino katok?
Raikus daw. Sabi.
Ah, puro Rayster ah. Kimchi, Kim and Vinci. 09s. Kimchi as well. Okay, we will write them down. Isulat mo na lang.
Okay, I will
Okay,
write.
screenshot mo na lang sa phone mo. Ano? Yung mga sinasabi nila. Para tingnan namin kung ano yung pinakamadami and okay, gagawin namin. Or isa-suggest namin.
Oo na.
Yin Yang Duo. That's our word.
Yeah, that's us.
Please, kalma. Totoro. That's
Me and
Jiro and
Gatolo.
Rayster.
Rayster.
V's. Oh, V's. Ako V'ster. Sa 09s. Oh. 09s.
Oh, nine.
Gati mo na.
Tokiji?
That's me
That's
and
you and
Kuya Kyle.
Kaya pala to.
G. That's akala ko si Jiro.
Yeah.
Ako din ang una.
Okay. Wait, ano yung pangalan pag si Winston? Oh, ano walang Winster? Like that, that sounds weird.
Wala,
Winster? That sounds kind of weird. It sounds like a drink. Like, I want the Winster.
Give me a bowl of Winston.
Give me a Winster melon. Bermuda Triangle. Vinci and Winston. Oh. Someone sings Gento, 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 Gento. We did Gento in our first concert. Yeah. May ginagawa man si
Kingston.
Ano, what's your thoughts, Rayster, sa... Punta ka dito. Paliwa. What's your thoughts on Winster? Because that's the first time I've heard of that.
Winter.
Hindi, anong thoughts mo? Like, hindi na. Is it a yay or a nay?
Winster, malamig.
Parang ayaw niya. Pwede naman, pero kailangan kang bayaran. Magkano para bayaran ka?
1 million.
Wow.
10,000.
Amazing.
Barda Duo, who's that?
Kyler and me.
Kami.
Kasi lagi nga silang saw, kiso.
Sausa.
Balagbag.
Balibag?
Balagbag.
Si Ian Veras.
Ala, oo.
Alam mo yun,
Kita ko yun,
I keep seeing clips of him doing like,
Papapicture tapos
yeah.
papaganin.
Like example, I'm an anchor and you're Ian Veneracion. You would just lift me and like turn me around. Babaliktad ko siya na. Nakita ko yung clips. Ang funny. Ayoko mabalik.
Gagawin.
Baka sumakit yung chan ko.
Parang katulad ng kay Jill.
We can do that. Ay, di ba kaya mo siya? Kay! Balik tayo mo si Winston. Ipakita natin mo rin. Okay, iyan Veneracion. Si... Oh my God!
Dapat yung ano yun, ay, babalik ka.
Go nga, go! Wait, gusto niyo ba isa? One more? Dapat makisama ka.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
Pero ang sakit, nakalimutan ko ni Jill.
Ouch!
Ba't na? Ang galing ni Jill.
Stroller duo?
So strong!
Who's stroller duo? May stroller?
Baka babe. Sila, oh nice.
Autos tayo.
No oras ka. 1:30 na pala.
Autos kami.
Kasi February.
Ang galing. Hindi ko alam na rin.
Tayo stroller?
Hindi, autos. Autos.
Kaichi!
Kaichi. Vinci.
Parang lychee. Cup duo. Ooh. Because we wear caps. Actually, at the same time, but like bigger letters.
Pareho tayo.
Kyler, do it.
Depunim.
Gusto na nila ng Kyler Depunim do it.
Depunim do it.
Oh my god, I
Wala,
like that idea. I'm going to write that down. I'm gonna be like Depunim. Uri Enko do it. They want to see you on stage with Kyler. Actually, the visuals are on par.
Yeah.
Like it's there. But who's taller? Depunim, right?
Depunim.
Depunim is so tall. He's so tall.
대표님 너무 잘생겼어요.
맞아.
우리 똑같아.
Yeah, slave.
Ang galing. Dito kayo.
So Vinci. Vinci and Kyler, please do AI.
AI mo.
AI hug Dre. Nahug yung
No, bro. Hands down.
Why? Let's do it now.
Like
Taak nilang rap, parang yan.
Why are you so weird about it?
yeah, I saw it on.
Oh my gosh, we were so
Okay,
believable.
okay.
Let's do it again. Wait,
Like-
so believable. Wait, what? We're so good. Bro, we can get away with it. We can get away with it. We can be like, we're not real.
I think there's one.
Maglagay tayo ng filter para mas mukhang totoo.
Eh.
Wait. Kayo naman para magbati na kayo. Kayo naman yung mag-AI hug.
Kaya, wala.
Go. Parang hindi. Parang
Hindi naman kasi may mga ibang AI na gumagano lang eh.
Smooth lang.
Nangingisay!
Okay, alam ko marami lang nakita gusto nila O9. So O9 is AI hug.
Wow.
O9 is AI hug. Okay, ito. Wait, ready. Okay. Okay, AI group hug.
Paano yun?
AI group hug.
Gagano na tayo.
Okay, ngiti muna tayo. 5, 6, 7.
Nakukuryente tayo.
Ah, si Jason. Wait, that was so fun. Next time we're gonna do that on somewhere. We're gonna be like, bro, let's do our hug. And we're gonna. What's happening?
Ba't nanginginig? Kasi ano yung AI kasi.
Ganun kasi talaga
like,
yan.
ano yun, like
Isolation.
edit. Kasi picture lang talaga siya ang dalawang tao, tapos ginagawang nag-hug sila.
Yes, tawag doon ay keyframe. Keyframing.
Keyframing.
Tingnan mo, magkunwari AI block.
Thank you for the rules. Ba yun?
Thank you for the rose!
Sige, sa concert AI group hug. Gawin natin. Sa AI concert. Sa concert, AI group hug.
Yeah, sige,
We can do it.
AI group hug sa
We're gonna be like, we are alright. Welcome to the... Lobat na kami. Hindi, as persons. As people of the human
Pagod
earth.
kasi tayo kasi dami tayong sinasayaw.
Kaya nga eh.
Dami tayong pinaktis.
Yeah.
You're not tired.
Pero okay lang guys kasi para sa inyo din naman yun.
For you, for us, and for our families and our friends and the whole
Universe.
earth. And what more planets do you want?
Gusto ko ng Saturn.
Wow. Okay. Ngayon simula ngayon, no laughing challenge. Tapos bawal mag-Ingles, dapat Tagalog lang. Tapos yung magtatagalog ay pipingutin ang ilong.
Mag-English?
Ay, oo, tama kayo.
Mag-English.
Oo, tama. Simula ngayon. Yan.
Okay ng Bisaya.
Bawal kahit ano Tagalog muna tayo kasi tayo ay mga Pinoy.
Tayo
At
ay mga Pilipino.
dapat tayo ay
Nakasalukuyan naninirahan dito sa Korea.
tama.
Aming mga kababayan, kamusta ang iyong gabi?
Bawal tumawa, kaya ngayon ay pipingutin ang ilong. Bawal
Sayo.
Oo, tumawa ka din.
Tumama ako?
Oo, tumawa ka din.
Mayroong isang tao na nagsabi na para daw tayong kukuhanin ng langit.
Dahil sa ating
Dahil sa ating filter.
Oh, wow, bro! That was so
Tumama ka rin.
Mahirap pala ang larong ito.
Mahirap talaga. Ako'y
Ano?
Ako'y nanginginig sa
Sabi na
hila.
bibigani sa iyong mukha.
Oh,
Paano
umiti
na-
ka. Bawal umiti.
Sabi tawa lang ah.
Hindi, yun din.
Ay, well, okay.
No! Hindi yung Tagalog. Yung sinabi mo. Kaya ngayon, kami ay magsisimula ng maglaho. Kasi, alam nyo ba, na ngayon ay Oktubre, ika-3 ng, paano sabihin yung taon?
Merong isang tao na nagsabi at nagtanong, nasaan daw ang isang nating membro na si Kim Hwat Nang
Si Kim Hwat Nang.
ay umuwid na.
Talaga?
Hindi pa.
Ata.
Ah, grabe na siya.
Nasa Silya ba?
Nasa ano siya?
Ay, upuan.
Ay.
Kaya, tumama ka.
Ay,
Nasaan ang ating membro?
Siya ay nasa ano?
Ating member.
Nasa
Silid.
bantahan.
Merong isang nagsabi, nakakantahan daw natin sila. Pero
Ayun,
baka
silid
nakakalimutan
kantahan.
ninyo ay kanina nung sinabi namin iyan
Ay,
ay
ano?
kailangan makakuha
Kami.
ng 1,000 manonood. At ngayon ay siyang
sasaksihan natin.
ngayon ay
Pupunta tayo
4,
kasama ang ating helicopter.
20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
10, 11, 12.
Nagtitira na lang ay 30.
30 manonood
At
lamang.
tayo ay
ang kailangan
magpapatuloy
sa
video okay.
sa pagkakanta.
Sa tama.
Tama.
Video. Not video.
Kaya kung ako sa inyo, ay ipakita nyo na to sa mga pamilya ninyo o sa mga kaibigan ninyo
Wala.
para makita ng ibang tao ang itong
Para ka daw ano?
Google.
Google. Marcus.
Okay, ipakita daw ang mga panga. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi mo.
Patricia.
Ngayon kami ay nagbabalik at malapit na talaga tayong makaabot sa 1,000 manonood at magpakailanman tayong mag...
kaya lamang,
Ay, oh!
siyam na manonood na lang.
Ayun na!
Ang kulang, dalawa!
Ayun na! Wow! Sige!
Hindi.
In the way!
Hindi, wait. Hindi Tagalog yun.
Ay,
Sabi
tama.
mo.
Kung ang mundo'y makatapos, ako'y mamamatay nakangiti.
Oh,
Pero
susunod,
dahil 1,000 manonood naman lamang ang mga nanonood ngayon sa iyong itigil naman natin ang itong laro.
Tama!
Ako'y nahihirapan na!
Yeah, we are back!
Okay guys, come on, let's sing. What should we sing?
Leave the world.
Ang galing ko dun mag-translate.
Bro, that was like the hardest thing I've
That
ever
was
done
on the
in my
spot.
life.
But I loved it. It was very high stakes.
It was really high stakes. I'm surprised at that. Yeah.
You got it!
Yeah.
You were saying manonood. You were saying miembro.
I was saying words I didn't even know.
You
That was
knew.
in my vocabulary.
It was inside you all along, kid.
My Pinoy heart has
Katabing.
Grown! Madayo! Yes, love the Tagalog. Ayan na! Ala, bumalik sa hindi 1,000. Bumalik!
Ay, bumalik naman.
Wala kami. Wala.
Ayan na. Okay, so matutuloy na namin ang aming kantahan.
Ang aming ending.
Bumalik na naman sa 1,000. Ay, 100.
Siyam na.
Tama ba yan?
Yes! Okay. Sige,
So,
kakanta na kami.
ngayon kasama na po namin ang bilis. Ang ipapakita ko, ang bilis.
Agit ka. Nakita niya si Pacquiao.
Nakita na,
Yeah.
nakita na ni Pakita bilis si Manny Pacquiao.
At Imala,
Wow, nagawa ka dyan. Nagkatagalog ka pa rin.
nakipagsapakan siya. Kay Manny Pacquiao.
At siya ay natalo.
At siya ay kumanta ng kanta ni Manny Pacquiao.
Ano gusto niyo yung kanta ba?
It's working.
Ay, hindi.
5 Little Monkeys.
Wala naman yun uli. Ayoko na. Ayoko na ng 5 Little Monkeys.
Little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty.
Okay, ito na. Magsimula talaga kami. Okay, mic check. Nasaan yung mic? Ito. Singing? I don't know what that's...
Ikaw ay tila siling sa museong di maluluma. Ayo'y piling kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna give you like a life question. Oh my love. On this one, I want to do something else.
How about... Do they have anything
Do
they
you
want?
guys want to? What should we sing? I'm not good at singing. Sa nag-comment si Kaya Angel.
Hello po! Long time no see!
We miss you.
Kaya?
Ate Angela.
Oh, we watched
miss ka
Walang
namin.
Biroan.
Ang ganda ng Walang Biroan.
Yeah, we liked it. We liked
I
it.
like the walang biroan.
Maganda yun.
I'm the first one who watched it.
Walang biroan. Kasi ikaw yung kalaman ng puso't isip ko.
Whoa.
Sayo, nagtagpo.
Ay, pinagtagpo.
Walang biro.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like it. Slay.
Okay. You pick out.
Okay. How about some Billie Eilish?
I like that. Oh.
Do you guys like Billie Eilish? Small
Should-
girl.
I don't know that sound.
It's rainy day. Oh yeah, we did the cover of that. Oh, yeah,
I
we
did
did.
I did the piano.
Okay, we can do rainy day for our warm up. Okay,
Sure,
we can if we can find right now.
Palitan daw natin yung filter natin,
Ay,
guys.
Sige.
Ang sakit daw sa mata. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, kasi kanina pa to ng AI.
Masyado kaming na-immerse.
Yes.
Oh. I actually want to go to the restroom first because I feel like I can't hold it anymore.
Sure, you should go to the
Okay.
Restroom and
Oh my gosh, so
I'm gonna warm up. Guys, we're gonna sing for like maybe just 20 minutes, just because we don't want to break any promises. Although it is kind of like going like from 900 to 1,000, but it doesn't matter because we reached it anyway. So we're gonna do it. And also, please share it to your friends because we're gonna sing for like the first time. Like we're gonna do a proper karaoke thing, and we have a backup dancer as well. This is like a big moment. So tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your Lola, tell your anyone that we are literally live on Instagram singing. Okay, so what song should we sing? We're gonna wait for our leader because I'm gonna duet with our leader. This is mic working already?
Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, hello. Can you find it?
I couldn't find it.
Rainy day.
You already told everyone, good job. Guys, by the way, hindi namin makita lahat ng comments kasi super bilis niya.
Oh, honey.
I can just sing along with it.
Yeah, we can sing along with it. Wow, thumbnail. Okay, you can do the first part.
가지 말라고 널 불러보지만 우리가 다시 끝이고 나면 이대로 널 잊을 수 있을까 보고 싶어서 네가 오기만을 기다릴 텐데 비가 와 비가 내려와 네가 그리워 더 그리워 네가 와 아픔은 뜨거웠어 내게 돌아오라고 너를 사랑한다고 It's rainy day
Wow!
Good warm up.
Now, are you guys ready?
For the next challenge.
For the next battle.
I need water too.
Which one do you want to do first?
You get go. Choose one, and I'll be back, and we will buy.
Okay.
Pala.
Na 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 na.
Sumayaw sa muna drop version.
That'd be cool.
We're just gonna do one song, and we're gonna end the live.
Okay, that sounds good.
So let's just do one.
Do you want
last
to do this one?
Oh, I'm fine with that.
Okay. Or this one?
Isn't that?
Yeah. I think I forgot how it goes. Okay, but it's okay. Okay. You know what I'm scared of? Is we're gonna get copyright striked. So
Really? I don't think so, because it's an instrumental.
oh really?
Yeah, I don't think so. Why? Some water? Birds of a feather? Stand up. I haven't tried that. Hey, hey.
I'll sing it first.
Go ahead, watch your heart burn with the fire that you started.
hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, it was so nice blending.
Yeah, that was like the first time we kind of did
Yeah,
that.
I think so. It's nice.
Anyway, everyone sleep well.
Sleep well, prepare well for the month ahead, and don't forget to enroll. Don't forget to enroll.
Correct.
And it doesn't matter if you're gonna enroll a day before, a week before, on the day itself. That's possible, right?
I think so. I hope.
Or maybe now. You want it now, you want it later, anytime from today until November 3, get enrolled. Get enrolled, get involved, and go to Day Tour Anchor High.
Correct.
Good night.
Night, guys.
Thank you. See you soon. See you soon. Ay! Gusto niyo ba mag-bye? Gusto niyo ba makita? Okay. Mag-screenshot muna tayo.
There's like only 4 of us
Oh
left.
yeah.
But
Because some are doing their own stuff, practicing as well. So let's... Yeah, Racer can do that.
Racer!
Rick! Screenshot! Screenshot!
아쉬워. They couldn't
Oh.
hear us properly.
진짜?
Because the music was too high.
Should we do another one?
I think we should do one last. After screenshot, we'll do one last.
Okay. They're like, okay, let's go
Okay,
back.
no. We
Well,
screenshot.
Oh yeah, we still need screenshot. And then after the last song,
We end it.
we end it. Let's do...
Can we do heart? Is it
Oh yeah,
possible?
I think so. Wow! And let's do 11-3.
11-3.
November 3.
Ah, you're right.
Oh wow, that's amazing. We can do
Whoa,
this.
I just realized. Good job.
November 3.
Guys, we'll sing one last.
One last?
Because
If they couldn't hear it?
Because they couldn't hear.
Talaga ba? Or
properly.
are they tripping?
I don't know. I just saw one comment that said, sayang ang lakas daw ng audio of the song.
What? It's true. The music is full.
Oh, you heard it?
Alright. Well, you open your iPad. Let's do this. One last time.
What? Ano ba? It's hard. It's hard to find the last song to sing. You want some chapel round? It's hard. July. Oh, you know all I want?
No, I don't. We can do another Billie Eilish song.
Which one?
The I Don't Want to Be You Anymore.
Okay.
You know that one?
Okay, I'm scared.
Okay, wait. Let's see.
This one? I'm scared.
I think this one. But we have to check the audio first.
Okay.
Which this is fine.
I just wish you could feel what you say. Show never tell, but I know you too well. Got a moment that you wish you could tell. If teardrops could be bottled, there'd be swimming pools filled by bottles. So the tight dresses what makes you up and warm. If I love you was a promise, would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror, but you know she's heard before. I don't wanna be you anymore. It's getting cold, losing feelings, you know. Was I made from a broken mold? I can change, we've made every mistake. Only you know the way that I breathe. If teardrops could be bottled, there'd be swimming pools filled by models. So the tight dress is what makes you up. If I love you was a promise, would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror, but you know she's
Yeah.
That was cool.
I couldn't find the key at the first part.
Yeah, it was hard. It was
It's so
hard.
hard to find it. Okay, is it better now, guys? Was that better than the first one?
Someone saying hala. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Is the audio better? Because we kind of toned it down.
Yeah.
Anyways, hopefully it was better.
Yeah.
No one's saying anything, so.
Yeah. They were like, that was okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Sleep well.
Isa pa daw. Oh, thank you. We will perform more.
Yes, we
in
will.
the in the coming month. In the coming month.
Exactly.
So please, yeah, be there.
Correct. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Thank you. One acapella. Okay. What can we sing acapella? Because this is easier. We can do any key we want.
Right.
You can do it. What song do you feel like? Maybe you should do the Museo.
Museo? But there's already a cover of that. We can listen to it anytime.
Okay.
What's the song that we haven't sang yet?
I'm thinking It Will Rain. Do you like It Will Rain? Do you know that?
If you had me, baby. Okay.
Should we do that? Acapella lang. Or that? No. That's too high though. It's very high.
It is very high.
Let's just end the song with an acapella. That's it. Because we just saw one last comment, they said acapella, and we're like, okay, we never done that. Palagi? No.
Palagi nilang matcha.
Wait, what's Creed?
Apalachi nente macho.
Rhythm iba.
Together, Georgia.
Do we want to end it with Soya So Long? Let's end it with a bang. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking of a good one. Wait, why my mind's blank? I just want to end it nice. Okay, lay me down.
Is it how does it go? Is it Daniel Caesar?
No, that's Sam Smith, bro. It's Sam Smith.
Okay.
Can I lay by your side next to you?
That was I was shocked.
I would have never done.
Okay, now your turn. Why are we doing this ourselves? But I love it.
Birds of a feather.
Bro, acapella, I just realized acapella is much harder than
Really?
when there's karaoke.
Well, that was hard. Thank you.
Di ba may lasa, balas na kahit
Isa pa. Ayun yung museo?
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Are you guys satisfied?
Yeah, I think they are. We'll miss you guys.
Good night. Everyone sleep because it's actually
Bitin pa rin. Okay, next time.